Episode 29, Upselling and Cross-Selling Strategies. Welcome back to Start Your Business Today. In today's training session, we're diving deep into the dynamic world of upselling and cross-selling strategies. These techniques are not just about increasing sales, they're about enhancing customer satisfaction and building long-lasting relationships. By mastering these skills, you can significantly boost your revenue and delight your customers at the same time. Segment 1. Understanding, upselling and cross-selling. Let's start by defining our key terms. Upselling is the technique of persuading customers to purchase a higher-end product than the one they originally intended to buy. For instance, if a customer wants to buy a standard coffee maker, you might encourage them to consider a high-end, feature-rich model instead. Cross-selling, on the other hand, involves suggesting additional products that complement what the customer is already buying. For instance, if someone is purchasing a laptop, you could recommend a laptop bag, mouse, or software that they might need. Understanding these definitions sets the stage for why they are crucial in the sales process. Let's take a closer look at the benefits. Segment 2. Benefits of upselling and cross-selling. Now that we understand the definitions, let's explore the benefits. 1. Increased revenue. The most apparent benefit is the potential for increased sales. By applying these strategies effectively, you're not just selling one item, you're selling more. Enhanced customer satisfaction. When you upsell or cross-sell correctly, you provide customers with products that meet their needs better than they initially planned. This creates a win-win situation. 3. Improved customer retention. By offering additional value and building relationships, you're likely to encourage repeat business. Satisfied customers are more likely to return. Point 4. Competitive advantage. Mastering these techniques can set you apart from competitors who may not be taking advantage of upselling and cross-selling opportunities. Increased average order value. Finally, as you consistently apply these methods, you'll see an upward trend in your average order value, which is critical for business growth. Segment 3. Key steps to effective upselling and cross-selling. Now let's dive into the key steps to successfully implementing upselling and cross-selling strategies in your business. Grab a notebook. You'll want to jot these down. Step 1. Know your products. First and foremost, you need to have an intimate knowledge of your products or services. This knowledge allows you to confidently recommend higher value items or complementary products. Take the time to learn the ins and outs of your offerings, benefits, features, and how they pair beautifully with each other. Here's an example. If you're selling skincare products, know the active ingredients, their benefits, and why customers would be interested in a more premium option or additional products. Step 2. Identify customer needs. Secondly, actively engage with your customers to identify their needs. Whether you're interacting in person or online, ask questions to understand what they are looking for. What specific features are you looking for? Or, are there any concerns you want me to address? These questions help you tailor your recommendations. Step 3 is to create value bundles. Make it easy for customers by offering bundled products at a slight discount. This not only encourages cross-selling, but also enhances the perceived value. Imagine a camera kit that includes the camera, a lens, and accessories at a bundled price. This can drive quick sales and increase the overall purchase value. Step 4. Train your sales team. Next up, ensure that your sales team is well trained in upselling and cross-selling techniques. Effective training empowers them to feel comfortable suggesting additional items and builds their confidence in their knowledge of the products. Regular role-playing sessions and workshops can significantly improve their skill set. Step 5. Use data analytics. Step 5 involves utilizing data analytics. Monitoring customer purchase patterns can reveal opportunities for upselling and cross-selling. By tracking what products are frequently bought together, you can develop informed strategies that cater directly to customer preferences. Step 6. Timing is everything. Step 6 is about timing. Know when to play your upselling or cross-selling card. Timing it correctly can significantly affect the likelihood of success. Positioning your upsell just as a customer is ready to check out is an effective tactic. For example, a prompt that asks if they would like to add a warranty or a related product before finalizing the purchase can work wonders. Segment 4. Best practices for upselling and cross-selling. Let's wrap this up with some best practices. 1. Be genuine. Always prioritize your customers' needs. The recommendation should enhance their experience, not push them to spend more unnecessarily. 2. Keep it simple. Avoid overwhelming customers with too many options. Keep your recommendations clear and concise. 3. Use social proof. Highlight how other customers have benefited from adding the upsell or cross-sell to their purchase. Follow up. After a purchase, follow up with customers to see if they are satisfied and suggest additional products based on their experience. Closing thoughts and call to action. To conclude, mastering upselling and cross-selling is essential for any entrepreneur looking to enhance profitability while providing additional value to their customers. Remember, it's all about building relationships, understanding customer needs, and consistently delivering an unmatched experience. Ready to take your business to the next level? You can find more related materials to what we share here on bizbuddy.com.ng. bizbuddy.com.ng is a cutting-edge online resource hub, meticulously crafted to cater to the needs of entrepreneurs and business owners seeking a comprehensive repository of information, tools, and resources to bolster their business acumen. If you found today's training valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an episode. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences with upselling and cross-selling. Thanks for joining me today in Start a Business Today, and I'll see you in the next episode where we'll cover more tips and strategies for taking your business to the next level.